Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting problem that you might encounter in your coding journey. The problem at hand involves creating a member type def in a struct based on which constructor is used. We want to determine the type of a member based on whether constructor number 1 or constructor number 2 is used in our code snippet. It's a bit of a puzzle, but don't worry, we'll figure it out together. Now, let's dive into the solution for our problem. By utilizing template deduction guides, we can control the type returned by a constructor in our struct. The key is to define the struct with the two constructors, each with its own template type. This way, when a specific constructor is called, the corresponding template deduction guide will ensure that the correct type is returned. It's a clever way to dynamically determine the type based on the constructor used. Pretty neat, right? This elegant solution allows us to achieve the desired behavior without any fuss. To recap, we've successfully addressed the problem of defining a member type def based on which constructor is used in our struct. By leveraging template deduction guides, we've created a smart solution that adapts the type according to the constructor invoked. It's a nifty trick that showcases the power of modern C++ features. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.